Welcome to the channel. If you're having issues with the Microsoft App Store, today I'm going to help you troubleshoot those issues and find a resolution. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we can do here is run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, right? So what you need to do is run to navigate to your Start menu, look for Settings, and then Update and Security. You're going to then look for Troubleshoot. And then you're going to look for additional troubleshooters and then the Windows Store apps. Then you need to click the Run the Troubleshoot, and this is a built-in diagnostics tool that will automatically detect and fix any common Microsoft Store issues, providing an easy first step in resolving any problems. We now need to reset or terminate the Microsoft Store app. So open Settings, go to Apps and Features, locate the Microsoft Store here, select Advanced Options, and then click Terminate to close all processes. If this does persist, use the Reset button to restore the app to its default settings. This will clear any corrupted data that may be causing any problems. You then can also clear the Microsoft Store cache, so press the Windows key and R to open up the Run dialog. Type in this command, so it's ws reset.exe. and then go ahead and press enter. This will basically reset the Microsoft Store cache, often resolving any launch failures, any download errors, and then performance issues by clearing temporary files that are corrupted. Then you can update your Windows and Microsoft Store. So here, ensure that your system is currently is up to date and current by going to Settings, Windows Update, and then check for any updates. The Microsoft Store, then you need to then open it up, the Microsoft Store, navigate to Library, and then select Get Updates to download the latest version. Make sure that you keep both Windows and your Microsoft Store updated. Then you can repair and reinstall any apps that are giving you issues. So go to Settings, Apps and Features, select the problematic app, click Advanced Options, and choose Repair to fix issues without losing data. If it doesn't work though, select Reset or Uninstall, and then reinstall the app from your Microsoft Store library for a clean installation. Also verify that your time zone, regional settings, and a Microsoft account credentials are correctly configured in settings. Any mismatched region, settings, or network connectivity issues can block Microsoft Store functionality and prevent any downloads or updates. The last thing you can do, if you've tried everything and it still hasn't worked, you can go ahead and contact Microsoft Support. Their technical support team will be able to provide you more detailed analysis and more detailed methods.